My name is Oliver King, and I've been a tech with New Creations for about 3 years. New Creations does work with the auto body industry. We do a lot of seat repairs, we do a lot of home repairs, interior and exterior. We also have the skill set to work on RVs because a lot of the same things need to be repaired. We do a lot of work with wooden panels, linoleum. We repair leather and vinyl parts of seats. So often those things just get worn down, like the bolsters of seats. And we go in, we're able to mimic the texture, we're able to match the color. All of our techs are extremely meticulous about mapping the details of whatever you're looking at so that you can kind of blend it in with any sort of material. There's a lot of reasons why you might want to repair instead of replace, because replacements can get pretty expensive and they can also be pretty work intensive. You might have to order that part, wait for it to get delivered, take the old one out, put the new one in, do the disposal. Quality for the New Creations tech is the hallmark of what we do. We're always trying to get better at what we do. Even our CEO still is on the tools working on different repair methods, and they're coming up with new processes all the time. So we're all really involved and take a lot of pride in our work. We like to have a bit of an element of craftsmanship to what we do. So we take the time, we get the details right, and by the end of it, what we're trying to do really is trick ourselves rather than tricking anybody else, because we just trust our standard of excellence to that degree. Part of our reputation is just to be so good at our jobs that you really can't tell that any work has been done. So we like to spend that time in there. We're very detailed people, very meticulous, and so we take the time to do a proper job. One of the best reasons people will choose us for RV repairs is just because it's so cost effective. Doing the actual replacements can be pretty time consuming, but it's also pretty expensive to order some of those parts. So it makes a lot of sense to do a lot of the repairs because we end up saving money for our clients, and then they call us back for the same reason. Often it's with used units or with brand new units sometimes as well. If some little part gets nicked, we can come in and we can repair it and make sure that when the client sees it for the first time that they're not going to notice anything at all. Give us a call and we look forward to meeting with you.